everyone, we are the young engineers attending the Nervtek camp. In Buea, we have been witnessing so many fire outbreaks leading to death. A couple of time ago, we witnessed it in Sam, whereby there was a fire outbreak which led to many people dying. We believe so well that if they had our device, it would alert them and they could prevent the fire outbreak. So, the name of our project is a safety fire alert, and it works by when it detects fire, it blinks light, it alarms, and it displays fire alert. Then the pump behind sprays the water. Likewise, if it detects gas leakage, it blinks, it alarms, and then it displays gas leakage.
I would like to demonstrate how our project works. Firstly, when it detects fire, it releases water from the tank and the LCD displays fire alert. Secondly, when it detects a gas leakage, it alarms and it detects the gas leakage.
In the future, we would like to add SMS alert so you can be able to send an SMS to the firefighters in your locality. We also would like to add an integrated camera with AI so it can detect any fire.